Push! Yes!
The 50th anniversary of Troy University's nursing program has brought with it the addition of Troy's newest fan. Meet Jack Hawkins III, aka Trey, born at 2:56 on September 12, 2019.
So this is what we've been building up to at the beginning of the fall semester. We've had our 50th kickoff celebration, and so today we were able to reveal the gender and the name of our new baby Sim. We've been planning from the beginning of the semester for this celebration, and what we intended to do was allow students to be able to have a chance to take part in this history, celebrate this 50th milestone, and leave a mark here on our campus. And so what students could do was vote for the gender that they would like to have the baby be, and then also select from a name.
The nursing program had T. Roy the Trojan come out and help with the gender reveal, as well as Mr. Jack Hawkins himself saying a few words.
Well, I'm here to say 50 years later, we haven't lost a step. And in fact, I think we have advanced nursing.
More than 50 people voted and over $500 were raised for this nursing program, all thanks to this new birthing simulator. And with it being the 50-year anniversary of the nursing school and the 30th anniversary of Dr. Jack Hawkins as chancellor, there was something for just about everyone here to celebrate.
Well, we were super excited to be able to celebrate this momentous event, to have Dr. Hawkins here with us, particularly because this is his 30th anniversary as chancellor. So it's just a wonderful event, a wonderful time. We're so glad we could share this with his experience this year as well.
Cody Giles, Troy, TrojanVision News.